Today, you're going to learn how to make a simple tax prep folder for next year using ChatGPT as your personal organization assistant. I'll walk you through the process step by step and show you the exact prompts you can type in so you can stay organized all year and make tax season stress-free. This guide is perfect for beginners, freelancers, small business owners, investors, and anyone who wants to avoid last-minute tax panic. Before you begin, make sure you know what types of income you receive, what expenses you normally claim, and which tax documents you use this year. If you're unsure what you'll need to organize, the first prompt I'll show you will take care of that. Once you're ready, type this prompt. Act as a tax organization assistant. Create a simple folder structure I should use to stay organized for next year's taxes. Include sections for income, expenses, receipts, investments, and anything else I might need based on common tax situations. The AI will create a clean folder system you can copy into Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or your computer. Next, use this prompt to add monthly organization steps. Create a simple month-by-month checklist showing what I should upload into each folder. You'll get a routine that spreads your tax prep across the year instead of doing it all at once. For example, the AI might tell you that every month you should upload your invoices, store your receipts, log your mileage, and add any investment activity. It will also show where each item goes inside your folder so nothing gets lost. If you want to customize your setup based on your situation, type this. Ask me questions about my income and expenses, then personalize my tax prep folder and checklist so it matches my lifestyle and work. After answering a few questions, you'll receive a folder system tailored specifically to how you earn and spend money. Before you finalize everything, use this prompt. List the most common mistakes people make when organizing their tax documents. Create a short checklist so I can avoid them. This helps you avoid issues like mixing business and personal receipts or forgetting to store statements. Once you've built your folder system, finish with this routine prompt. Create a simple weekly or monthly habit to keep my tax prep folder up to date, so next year's tax season is easier. This makes tax time predictable instead of stressful. And that's it. Staying organized for taxes becomes much simpler when you follow a clear folder structure and a monthly routine. Use these prompts, keep your documents tidy all year, and always confirm your tax details with HMRC or the IRS if you're unsure. These prompts work perfectly inside ChatGPT. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.